It's the Curry Bowl. Brothers going up against each other. Steph Curry versus Seth Curry. Look at that fan in the stands with that sign. Here comes Seth Curry on the break, bounce pass to Harrison Barnes. Nice assist. JJ Barea throws up the lob to Noel. What a throwdown. Back the other way. It's going to be Steph Curry left wide open for three in the corner. The Curry Bowl. They got to match each other's game. What can his brother do in return? Barea. Nice bounce pass for the backdoor cut. That was real smooth. We got to take another look at that. Sean Livingston with those long legs. Even he couldn't get to that ball. Look at that pass back to David West, who throws it down, taking a step into the hot tub of youth. Clark with the floater, and then Steph Curry bounce pass to Draymond Green, who flushes it, and nobody was there to defend. The Warriors start taking control. It's a blowout from here on out. Klay Thompson over Dirk. Look who's in the lane again to Klay Thompson. In the corner is deja vu. The Splash Brothers all of a sudden are everywhere. Curry on the hustle. Finishes with the layup. They're getting to 50-50 balls. And then inside it's going to be Klay Thompson. The Warriors easily walk away with this one. It's more of the same. They can't stop Brook Lopez. Look at that up and under move. Drummond was confused. Then he's going to step outside for the three and they leave him open. Why not let it fly? He's showing the range. Another one in the corner. Are you serious? Brook Lopez.